Good morning. My name's Jeff. I'm from the Firewater Bean Coffee Company. I wanted to introduce to you this morning the Green Goat Cold Brew Concentrate from Firewater Bean Coffee Company. Firewater Bean is brand new. The concentrate product I'm going to introduce to you today is also brand new, and I'm super excited to introduce it to you. It is a 4-to-1 ratio concentrate, meaning that an 8-ounce cup, 2 ounces of Green Goat will convert any 6 ounces of hot water or cold or warm milk into a great coffee beverage. Now, that is a brand new thought and concept. Hot cold brew. Why would somebody do that, you might ask yourself? Just kick on the instant cup and make some hot coffee. Well, this product was steep brewed, single origin, dark roasted beans for several hours in distilled water. And if you're buying it from me today, it's very possible it was brewed 72 hours after it was roasted, making it a fresh roasted coffee product as well. This process alone is the reason why it is better than blasting hot tap water through an old plastic cup of who knows what's in that grind. None of the acidic oils were released in this process, only flavor and our favorite friend caffeine made the journey. No upset stomach, no clumsy aftertaste, just great coffee flavor and about the best instantaneous coffee you can have. So let's get to the demo, shall we? So just take a glass, add ice, add your favorite mix. Today I choose 2% milk, about 6 ounces. If you wanted to make a large beverage, you could go 12 ounces and use a whole bottle, or that's need a much bigger glass. Add half a bottle of the Green Goat Cold Brew Concentrate from Firewater Bean Coffee Company. Sorry for yet another shameful plug of the new business name. Mix well. At this point, you have a straight cup of cold brew cafe latte. No additives, USDA organically grown Arabica beans from the Huila, Colombia province. It is a province that's nestled on the flank of the Andes Mountains and the Nevado del Huila volcano, the second highest peak in Colombia. It has rich soils, lush climate, and is ideal for many crops, including yucca, sugarcane, bananas, coca, and beans, as well as coffee. The beans themselves are grown at an average of 5,200 to 6,000 feet above sea level. You can add sugar or sugar cane sugar. You can add, your non-dairy creamers. You can add sugar substitutes or artificial sweeteners of any form. I prefer it straight. I have health issues myself, and I don't need anything else in my brew. So I prefer it straight from the bottle. So there you have it, the first video product demo in the books. I hope you buy some Green Goat Cold Brew Concentrate and try it for yourself. It's sold in packages of 6. Each package serves 12 cups of your beverage choice. The product has a good shelf life of about 6 months until the bottle is opened, as each bottle uses only coffee, distilled water, and is individually heat foil sealed. Once open though, it's highly recommended that you refrigerate the product. If you do not empty the bottle in your first 2 glasses, once you feel that caffeine kick in, I'm sure you'll want a second cup. It is simple, only 3 ingredients. We only add fire, water, and bean to our coffee. You gotta admit, it all adds up. Thank you for watching our product demo today, and may your day start with a great cup of coffee.